Hello, dear learners. Welcome to English Practice Beginners. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine this moment as the first step of your new journey. You are here because you want to speak English confidently, naturally, and without fear. This is not just another video. This is your daily space to grow, to practice, and to become fluent slowly and clearly. Today, you are not just watching. Today, you are starting a new habit. A habit that will change the way you think, speak, and express yourself in English. Stay with me, breathe slowly, relax your mind, and let your confidence begin right now. Slow English speaking practice. Daily use sentences. Every day when you wake up, your life starts with small moments. These small moments are perfect for English practice. Imagine you wake up in the morning and the first thing you say to yourself is, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel fresh. I feel calm. I am ready to learn." You walk to the window and look outside. You see the sky. You see the light. You notice the weather. You softly say, "The weather looks nice today. The air feels fresh. The day feels peaceful." When you start speaking like this every day, your brain slowly accepts English as a normal language in your life. You are not forcing it. You are not rushing it. You are simply letting it grow naturally. Now, imagine you go to the bathroom and begin your morning routine. You look in the mirror and say, "I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am getting ready for the day." These are simple sentences, but they build strong confidence. You are training your mind to think in English. When you prepare your breakfast, you can say, "I am making tea. I am boiling water. I am preparing my breakfast. I am feeling hungry." These daily sentences connect English with your real life. This is how fluency starts, slowly, naturally, calmly. When you step outside your home, the world becomes your classroom. You walk on the street and observe people, shops, and vehicles. You say, "People are walking, cars are moving, shops are opening, the street is busy." You are not trying to be perfect. You are only trying to speak. And speaking is the real key to fluency. You greet people around you. You say, "Good morning, have a nice day." Even a small greeting builds courage. If you take a bus or train, you sit comfortably and listen to the sounds around you. You hear announcements. You hear conversations. You say in your mind, "I am listening carefully. I am learning new words. I am improving every day." When someone sits near you, you can practice small sentences like, "Excuse me, is this seat free?" or "Thank you." These small moments are powerful. They make English part of your daily life. At work or in your classroom, you continue your slow and confident practice. You open your bag and say, "I am taking out my notebook. I am opening my laptop. I am checking my schedule." When you talk to your teacher or colleague, you speak slowly and clearly. You say, "Can you please explain this again?" or "Thank you for your help." Every sentence makes you stronger. Every word makes you better. When you sit at your desk, you can describe your work. You say, "I am writing an email. I am reading a document. I am preparing a report." These sentences may look simple, but they are building blocks of fluency. You are creating a habit of thinking in English. And once thinking becomes natural, speaking becomes easy. At lunchtime, you walk into a cafe or cafeteria. You stand in line and practice in your mind. You say, "I would like a sandwich, please." You say, "Can I have a cup of tea?" You say, "Thank you very much." When you sit and eat, you look around and describe your surroundings. You say, "People are talking. The place is busy. The food smells good. You can even make small talk with someone nearby. You say, "How is your day?" or "The weather is nice today." These are real-life sentences. These are daily use sentences. This is real English. In the afternoon, when you walk back or travel again, you continue your observation. You say, "The road is crowded. The sky is bright. The air is warm." You are training your brain without pressure. You are building fluency with calm repetition. When you reach home in the evening, you relax and reflect. You say, "I am back home. I am tired, but I feel happy. I did my best today." You prepare your evening tea and say, "I am boiling water. I am adding tea leaves. I am enjoying the aroma." You sit near the window and watch the sunset. You say, "The sky is orange. The sun is going down. The evening feels peaceful." Now you take some time for yourself. You open a book or watch a short video in English. You listen carefully. You repeat sentences slowly. You say, "I understand better now. I am learning every day." You are not afraid of mistakes. You know mistakes are part of learning. You smile and say, "I am improving. I am confident. I am patient." At dinner time, you describe your actions again. You say, "I am cutting vegetables. I am cooking food. I am setting the table." You eat slowly and enjoy your meal. You say, "The food tastes good. I am feeling relaxed." These moments make English part of your lifestyle. Before going to bed, you take a few minutes to review your day. You say, "Today I practiced English. I spoke daily sentences. I listened carefully. I learned new words." This reflection strengthens your memory. Your brain stores these patterns. Tomorrow's speaking will be easier. Now, let us go deeper. English is not only about words, it is about emotions. Sometimes you may feel nervous. Sometimes you may feel shy. But remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. When you feel hesitation, you say to yourself, "I am brave. I am learning. I am not afraid." This positive self-talk changes your mindset. Imagine you go to a shop and the shopkeeper speaks fast. You stay calm. You smile and say, "Sorry, can you speak slowly, please?" Or, "Can you repeat that?" This is real confidence. You are not running away from English. You are facing it with courage. When you talk to friends or colleagues, you say, "I am learning English. I practice every day." People respect effort. They appreciate your confidence. And slowly, conversations become easier. At home, you continue your self-talk. You say, "I am cleaning my room. I am arranging my books. Am preparing for tomorrow." Your brain slowly switches to English mode. You start thinking in English automatically. You also add listening and reading to your routine. You listen to simple podcasts. You watch short stories. You read small articles. You repeat useful sentences. You say, "The world is changing. People are learning. Life is moving fast." This exposure improves your understanding. You keep a small diary. Every night you write 5 sentences. You write, "Today I practiced English. I spoke with confidence. I learned new sentences. I feel proud." Writing and speaking together make your learning stronger. Your mindset is your biggest power. You remember that fluency is not built in one day. It is built with daily effort. You celebrate small wins. You celebrate every conversation. You celebrate every new word. After 1 month, you notice a change. You speak faster. You understand better. You feel confident. English becomes your friend, not your fear. After 3 months, you notice another change. You start thinking in English. You start reacting in English. Conversations feel natural. This is your slow English speaking practice. This is your daily use English journey. Step by step, sentence by sentence, you are becoming fluent. You are becoming confident. You are becoming strong. Repeat after me every day. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am confident. I am calm. I can speak English. I am not afraid. I am growing. This is your journey. This is your time. This is your daily English practice. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Your fluency is closer than you think. Now let us continue this journey even deeper, so deep that English becomes part of your thinking, your emotions, your habits, and your identity. This is not a second part. This is simply the next natural step of your daily English life. You are already walking on this path, and now you are going further, stronger, calmer, and more confident. As days pass, you begin to notice something special. English no longer feels like a subject. It feels like a companion. When you wake up in the morning, your first thoughts slowly start forming in English. You stretch your body and say, I feel relaxed. I slept well. Today will be a productive day. You walk to the kitchen and notice the sunlight coming through the window. You say, the morning light is beautiful. The air feels fresh. I feel positive. These small observations shape your inner voice. Your inner voice becomes English. When you step outside, your confidence grows. You no longer avoid eye contact. You no longer fear conversations. You walk with calm energy. You notice people rushing to work, children going to school, shopkeepers opening their doors. You say, life is moving, everyone is busy. The day has started. You feel connected to the world. You feel present. You stop at a tea stall or coffee shop. You look at the menu and speak clearly. I would like a cup of tea, please. The shopkeeper understands you. You feel proud. This small success gives you a big boost. You smile and say, thank you. You walk away feeling stronger. As you travel, you listen carefully to conversations around you. You may not understand everything, but you understand more than before. Your brain is learning naturally. You say, I am improving, my listening is getting better, I am learning from real life. You enjoy the process. At work or in class, you no longer hide. You participate, you ask questions, you answer confidently. You say, I have a question. You say, I understand this part. You say, can you explain this again? People respect your effort. They see your growth. You start expressing your feelings in English. When you are happy, you say, I feel great today. When you are tired, you say, I need some rest. When you are excited, you say, I am looking forward to tomorrow. These emotional sentences connect English with your heart. During breaks, you sit quietly and reflect. You say, I am proud of myself. I am trying my best. I am becoming better every day. This self-respect builds unstoppable confidence. In the afternoon, when the day slows down, you become more aware of your surroundings. You see the sky changing colours. You feel the wind. You hear distant sounds. You say, the sky looks peaceful. The wind feels soft. The evening is calm. These moments relax your mind and strengthen your English connection. When you return home, you no longer feel exhausted. You feel fulfilled. You say, I had a good day. I learned many things. I spoke English with confidence. You prepare your dinner and enjoy the process. You say, I am cooking slowly. I am enjoying this moment. I feel relaxed. Your home becomes your comfort zone and your learning zone. At night, you sit quietly and think about your future. You imagine yourself speaking English fluently. You imagine yourself traveling, working, and communicating freely. You say, "My future is bright. I am preparing myself. I am becoming a better version of me." You open your diary and write about your journey. You write, "Today I spoke without fear. I ordered food confidently. I asked questions. I listened carefully. I am growing." These words become your proof. Your progress is real. Slowly, something magical happens. You stop translating in your head. Words come naturally. Sentences flow smoothly. You speak without stress. You listen without fear. English becomes effortless. You start enjoying conversations. You enjoy meeting new people. You enjoy sharing ideas. You enjoy expressing yourself. English becomes your bridge to the world. You realize that fluency is not about speed. It is about clarity. It is about calmness. It is about connection. You speak slowly but confidently. You speak simply but powerfully. You are no longer the person who was afraid of English. You are now a learner, a speaker, a communicator. You stand tall. You speak with respect. You listen with attention. Every day you repeat your routine. Every day you improve a little more. Every day you feel stronger. This is not just practice. This is transformation. This is not just English. This is confidence. This is not just speaking. This is self-growth. And now, when you look at yourself, you smile and say, "I can speak English. I am confident. I am improving every day. I am not afraid. I am proud of myself." This is your slow English speaking practice. This is your daily use English journey. This is your new life habit. Keep walking, keep speaking, keep growing. Your voice matters. Your words matter. Your journey matters. And today, you are already one step closer to fluency.